From the crowd to the hot dogs.
What's going on, buddy? You ready for one?
It looks and feels like game time at Fally Field. But the dugouts are empty and the players are in the stands. Suddenly, this field is no longer ground for competitors, but rather a memorial for the man who led his team to hundreds of victories here.
This was his second home. He built this field.
But ask any player and he'll tell you it really wasn't about winning or losing for longtime Ichabod baseball coach Steve Anson.
He cared about how his players would turn out and how they would impact the world away from baseball.
Known to many as number 19, Anson was also a former teammate and loyal friend.
He's one of those guys that would do anything for you.
A standout player for Kansas State, Anson holds the school record for career triples with 19 and secured a spot on the Wildcats All-Century team. He then developed into Washburn's coach, one his former coaches grew to respect.
He was like a son to me. He's a one of a kind. They don't come along very often.
So while Coach Anson will never step foot on this field again, the stories, laughs, and memories shared here today made it seem as though, if only for a moment, he was home again.
We called him Eagle. You just feel like he's here flying around, looking down on this saying, you know, hey, this is the way I'd want it.